Hey, it's Miss Alana working on math, being awesome and amazing, and I know you are too. We are working on our fall harvest math. This is day 3, learning about squash, doing math about squash. This is part 2, question number 2. Make sure you have your packet. I have mine. Let's begin by reading the question. Read it with me. It says, a 5-pound bag of buttercup squash costs $8.75. How much does 1 pound of buttercup squash cost? First thing we need to do to solve that problem, that's right, we can use our Cubes Clues. First step is to circle the numbers. Call out some numbers for me. What do you see? I see 5. What else do you see? Right here. $8.75. What else? I see one more. It is a word form of a number. It's the number name. Do you see it now? Right there, 1. That is also a number. Anything else? Nope, that's everything. We're done with that step. The next step in our Cubes Clues is the use step. Underline the important words. So we could start out first with underlining the words that go with our numbers, the units of our numbers. So for example, this right here, 5, what's that? A 5 pounds, right? What else do you see? Well, right here, we already have the unit there. That's the dollar sign. 1, what's the unit for that? Pound. What else do you see? Buttercup squash. So this is another variety of squash right there. Buttercup squash. Let me write that down. Have you seen that before? Did you know that there's so many different kinds of squash? What? So many different varieties of squash, and that's one of them. What else do you see? We could do how much, and we could do cost, okay? All right, cost is right there too. Oh, that was underlined all the words. If there's anything else you want to underline, go right ahead. We're done with that step. The next step is the B step, to box the question. I want to highlight the question. You can box it, you can highlight it, you can circle that. Where is it? Right there. How much does 1 pound of buttercup squash cost? Bam, done with that step. The next step is to eliminate unnecessary information. Math problems, they try to trick you. People, they try to trick you. And even life tries to trick you sometimes. But did you know that you are smarter than all that? You are definitely smarter than any type of trick or problem. Yes, you better know that in your mind and know it in your heart. Look at this problem. Is there anything trying to trick you? Nope, we're done with that step. And the next step is the last step, is the S step. Oh, the next step is the last step, is the S step. Whoop, is to solve and check. Let's think about it to solve this problem. A 5-pound bag of buttercup squash costs $8.75. Imagine, we are going to buy this in a bag. It's like a bag of a bunch of squash in it. Oh, it's a heavy bag. It's 5 pounds. Not that heavy, because I know you're strong. Just like your mind is strong, your body's strong too. Especially if you eat lots of healthy fruits and vegetables. Yes. Now, we're buying it. Let's write that down. Right here. Imagine this is a bag, and it's 5 pounds. How much does it say it is? It's $8.75. Now, that does not mean there's 5 buttercup squash in there, because they weigh different amounts, and so they put enough in there to weigh 5 pounds. Now, it says, how much does 1 pound of buttercup squash cost? So if 5 pounds of those is $8.75, how much is it for 1 pound? Think about what operation do we need to do. Are we adding? No, we can't add. That's 5. We need to get to 1 pound. Okay, we can subtract 4 pounds, but then we don't know how much to subtract for the dollars, so that's not going to work. Can we multiply? No, because if you multiply, then that makes it bigger. We need to get smaller. That's right, we need to divide. We need to divide what? $8.75 by 5. So set up your problem just like that. $8.75, don't need the dollar sign, can't divide the dollar sign, by 5. Now, when we divide decimals, let me use a different color. It's just like dividing whole numbers. Everything is going to line up. Line up, line up. It's like everything just always lines up. We need to, so ignore the decimal for right now. Let's divide 5 into 8. So imagine if you have 8, how many groups of 5 do you see? Right there, just one group. One group, and look, I even show you how many's left. There's 3 left. 1 times 5 is 5. Subtract that, and we just did that, 3. Now we come to the decimal. So don't bring down the 7 yet. The decimal does what? It goes up. It's ready to party. Bam, put it right there. And the 7, now the 7 comes down. Come on down, 7. Now I'm 37. Skip count by 5 to get to 37. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Oh, too much. So that's 35. How many times is that? 7 times. And 7 times 5 is 35. Subtract that. That is a 2. Now what? Bam, bring down that 5 right there. 5 goes into 25 how many times? Let's count it. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 5 times. And 5 times 5 is 25. And we're left with nothing. We are done. Oh, we need to check our answer. Oh, and we do need a unit. What's the unit for that? Okay, look, it's either pounds or dollars. It's dollars, so we'll put a dollar sign right there. $1.75. Now, to check our work, we do the opposite operation. No, you don't need a calculator. You can, but we're going to use our mind. That's so much smarter than a calculator. Did you know a calculator is actually not even smart? That calculator is not smart. It's programmed. It is a program to do stuff that you need for it to do. You're smart. You're smart. All right. So to check our work, we need to multiply that number by that 5. So the answer that we got is $1.75 times 5. Help me out. 5 times 5 is 25. Write the 5 plus 2 up top. 5 times 7 is 35 plus 2, 35, 36, 37. Write the 7 plus 3 up top. 5 times 1 is 5 plus 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 right there. And no, remember the decimal doesn't come down. When you multiply, it goes bloop, bloop. We need to count it over. Count it. Bloop, 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 bloop. And it goes right there. And OMG, look. Right there. Bam. Bam. That means we got it right. We got it right. I told you, you're so smart. Last thing we need to do is write our answer down. How much does 1 pound of buttercup squash cost? Let's write it down here. 1 pound of buttercup. Oh, that's a weird B. Buttercup squash costs what? Not $8.75. That's for 5 pounds. $1 and, oh no, what did I just do? $1.75, period, at the end. Bam, we are done with number 2. We are off to a good start. Make sure you check out the other videos that you need help with after this one. And subscribe to Miss Alana's YouTube channel. Go ahead and press the thumbs up button below. Like this video. And if you want to ask me something or you want to just say hi, go ahead and put that in the comments below and I'll make sure I respond back to you. See you then.